Morning, boys and girls of class 3. Welcome back to another week of staying fit and healthy. Today we're going to do something very different. You can see around me, there's some markers around me. It's numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what we're going to do is going to do some circuit training today. Circuit training with some stations. Each individual number is a station. And this together is a circuit. So we're going to do circuit training with individual stations. Now on this station and circuit training, our exercise will be based today, okay, not exactly an exercise, like a fun activity, okay. It will be based on coordination and balance for class 3 boys and girls, okay. So it will be on coordination. Why coordination? You're going to run or move from one number to the other. You're going to coordinate yourself, okay. So you're going to be coordination from number 2 to 3 to 1 and 5 and 4. So you have to keep on sprinting or jogging or hopping from one station to the other. And balance, as because you move from one station, balance yourself, okay, like you balance yourself on one leg this way, and then you go again, you stretch up. So these are all balance exercises, okay, especially for you people. So let's start off with some basic jogging first. Basic jogging. There's a bit of warm up first before you start off with this coordination and balance. Okay, let's start off with some little basic exercise. Just warm up a little bit. Just stretch. Yes, okay. Yes, your arms at the back. Back, yeah, sideway. Back, yes. Little bit of stretching. Yeah. These are just exercises just to, okay, loosen up your muscles. Yeah, prepare yourself for these exercises on balance and coordination with your stretching. Side. Yeah. Try to go each different station and do something new. Okay, so we are more or less ready now. Take a break for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, let's start off first with some coordination exercises, okay? Coordination. Now, what you do is, you got to shift, okay? From one number to the other number to the other, but with a set of exercises. And you've got to register yourself, you got to move in from, okay, a systematic way, from 1 to 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so let's move in now. Come on, let's move into 2, then 3, and 4, and 5. Again, back. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remember to coordinate. Okay. Come back to 1. Now, we're going to sprint now. Now face the number, so you'll remember the number, okay? Face the number. Let's go to 5 first. 5. Then 4. Then 3. Then 2. And 1. Again, let's go back to 5 again. 5. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Come back. Yeah. Now the same thing we're going to do on balance. Let's start with 1. Okay. Balance yourself. 1. Okay. 2. Then go to 3. And 4. And 5. Hop. Yeah. These are all in balance. Same thing now on the right. 5. 4. 3, 2, 1. Yes, this is on balance and coordination together. Next, come back in the middle. Now, try to remember where the markers are. So each markers, now, from here, moving straight to 5 first. Sprint. You go to 4, 3, 2, and 1. And come back again. Okay, take a deep breath. Yes, loosen up. Yes, just relax. Stretch. Okay. What you're going to do is make all these exercises interesting and fun. Okay? Don't force yourself. Okay? Now let's go to 1. Now simple hopping, okay? Simple hopping on 1. Hop. Hop. Again. Right. Left. Now 2. In front. And back. Front. And back. Let's go to 3. And 1 foot now. Left. 1, 2. Again, front. And back. Let's go to 4. Now with your right foot. And back. Front. And back. Now, 5. A high jump. Yeah, again. Again. Up. And up. Yes, good. Come back. So, you finish your first round. Take a break. Remember your 10 seconds of break. Feet apart. Relax, Now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Remember, when you're taking a break, you don't have to call out the exercises. I'm calling out because I'm giving you the timing. You don't have to call out the number or the seconds. Just remember to take a 10-second break. Now, next set of exercises, we continue with balance and coordination. Okay? Now, 5. Now, this will be on speed. Okay? Remember. Now we start something new on speed. So you have to move fast. On speed. Let's start. Pause quick. Stop. Okay. Stop. And you rush. From 5 rush to 1. Again. Sprint. Stop. Yes. Now again back to 5. And sprint. And stop. Stop. Okay. Take a break. Now same, again 5 to 2 now. You corner between 5 and 2 with speed. Oh, let's go 2. And sprint. Stop. Sprint. Again, sprint back to 5. Yes. Again, sprint. And stop. Stop. Okay. Back to 0. Now. Remember, after every set of exercise, you got to relax your muscles. Very important to relax your body and your muscles together. Okay? With your breathing too. Take deep breaths. Gotta get your breath back. Okay. Now let's go to 4 now. Now, so which is the furthest from 4? Okay? Let's see. Okay, now let's make 2 cores. Okay? 2 markers. So you coordinate between 2. Okay? 2 stations. Okay? Let's go 4, 1, and 5. Let's move. 1 and 5. Again. 4, 1 and 5. Again. 4, 1 and 5. Okay, good. Here's a set of coordination. Now let's do something opposite way. Let's start with 3. Now we go to 3, 2, and 5. 3. Okay, let's start. 2 and 5. Again. To 3. 3, 2, and 5. Again, 3, 3, 2, and 5. And come back in the middle. Yeah. So all these exercises are based mostly on speed, coordination, okay, and balance. You got to balance when you're running yourself, okay? You balance yourself when you move from one station to the other, you don't fall off. Okay. Now let's start some hopping again. Okay? Okay. Let's come to 2. Now we'll hop in each station. 1. Over 2. We'll come back to 3. Jump over 3. Jump over 4. Good. 5. You can't jump from 5 to 4. So you just jump over 5 itself. Good. Next set of exercises. Let's still continue. Okay, with balance. Try to jump from 2 to the furthest or the closest to 2, 4. From 2 up to 4. Come on, let's move. Yes, that's it. Let's go over 4. Yes, and over 5. Good. Now the same thing. From 5. Try to do the closest to 3. That's it. Jump over 3. And over 1. Yes, that's it. Come back. So remember, when you're doing exercises, if you don't have markers at home, it's not a problem. You can use some of your toys, okay? Or you can use any other markers. You can use, okay, simple tape, or you can put some toys of yours. number them, okay, or paper with numbering, just use a sellotape on the floor and number this, okay, with this you can number, you can make 5 stations or you can make 10 stations or you can make 4 stations, whatever you feel like, okay, the amount of space you have. Now, other set of exercises on speed now, come on speed, so we have to rush now, okay, you have to sprint from one station, okay, station to the other. So this is the circuit. Now let's move. Sprint now. Come on. From 2 to 5. Okay. 5 to 1. 1 to 4. 4 to 3. And back. Then you're sprinting in front. The side is sprint now. Come on. Side. Okay. 1. Then 4. Then 3. 3 to 5. And again 5. 3, 4. Again, go back to 2. Go back to 1. And come back. So, you got to register in your mind, okay, in your head, it's how you're going to move from one station to the other, okay, from one marker to the other. It's all about coordinating. It's very important, okay, when you exercise, you have a battery of test even, where, okay, they test you, how fit you are through coordinating, through balance, through speed, okay, through strength. So we are doing just basics for class 3. We just have 2 basic, that is for coordination and balance. Now same thing on balance now again. Now this is about timing even, balance and time. Stretch, 10 seconds. Come next, balance. Good. Next. 3. Another 4. Next. Under the hips. Up on your toes. Balance. Yes. Other set of balance exercise. Okay. Jump. Land lightly on your toes, but remain in that position. Yes. So you don't fall sideways. Keep your balance. Again, up, down, fall, jump, and down, fall. Yes. You don't lose your balance. You land where you are. Now, the following week, first week of December, under the Government of India, there's an initiative by the Government of India. We're having the Fit India movement. So what it includes is all this different battery of tests what I told you today, coordination, balance and speed, okay, under Khelo India and Fit India movement. So they have the initiative, okay, to take care of your health, especially your health, your mental, physical health, especially your physical health. What you have to do is, you have to involve yourself in some physical activities, okay, in this coming week. So you have to have your parents, or your uncle, or anyone, or your aunties, anyone involving themselves with you in some games, some indoor games. You can play indoor cricket, indoor badminton, any games, but keep yourself involved in the first week of December, where you're going to celebrate the Fit India Week. Remember, okay, Fit India Week, so you can check their website, Khelo India and Khelo India Fitness and all. They have a whole sort of, okay, a lot of exercises for you, okay, meant for this, celebrating this Fit India Week. So I hope you'll enjoy this, get yourself, okay, involved in this exercises, get your parents involved and take care, okay, stay healthy, stay fit.